Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to tag another person in stories. It can be done in a couple seconds. To do this, you go into the Instagram app. Next, you record any stories, or you add a ready-made video. After that, you click on the button, Add Sticker, and you select here, Mention. And here, among the list, you choose any person, and you tag them. Or you can do it a little bit differently. You can press Add, and attach to it the name of the profile you want. In this way, you also mark someone else's profile. And through this link to him, you can click and go to view his account. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.